देतोस 5 मिनिटात येतोस 5 मिनिटात
And today Saint Francis Xavier's feast is celebrated at Kolhapur. And see the food, world's #1 food. See the food. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Rice, world's #1 rice. World's दादा हे काय कढी? कढी. Wow, wow, mutton curry, mutton curry. Wow, 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 wow. Mutton curry. And see this Pandrasa, world's #1 Pandrasa, world's #1. And this is mutton, world's #1 mutton. मामा हात करा. आणि हे काय मामा जरा दाखवा, हे जरा दाखवा तर मामा जरा दाखवा की हे दाखवा काय ते. हां, वर्ल्ड्स #1 रसगुल्ला वर्ल्ड्स #1. आणि काय मामा काय चाललंय हे काय? हो पनीर भाजी वर्ल्ड्स #1. आणि हे काय? दाल तडका वर्ल्ड्स #1. आणि हे मामा जरा दाखवा
ते काय नाही
वर्ल्ड्स 65 चिकन 65 वर्ल्ड्स #1. दिस इज वर्ल्ड्स #1 थम्स अप 180 ml वर्ल्ड्स #1 celebrating the Saint Francis Xavier's feast. रांडाचा व्हिडिओ काढायचा रांडाचा सगळ्यांचा व्हिडिओ काढायचा धोन्यांचं. दारू देत नाहीत का नाही, हे दारू देत नाही का नाही, क्लासमेट दारू देत नाही का नाही. See the arrangements, world's number one arrangement of St. Francis Xavier's feast. See this all, this is world's number one. Wait. And arrangement is done. World's number one arrangement is done. And this is this bridegroom. This is the bridegroom. Next bridegroom. Next bridegroom. After 2, 3, 5 years, see this is the bridegroom. If you want, any girl want to marry this boy, can marry. And see this, all these old people, old people, and this next bridegroom, and this groom. 14th marriage. And see this all arrangement. This is a mutton. This is the mutton. World's number of mutton. And see this, and this is water, and this is a curry, tamar rasa. This is rice. This is rice. I have already shown rice. And see this, and this is management committee. This is management committee. This with this topi. This is topi. Management committee. And see this all. And all food is getting ready. World's number one chapati and rice, all this. And chicken 65 is getting ready. World's number one. म्हणा चिकन 65. तुमचं हे सांगा की दादा, तुमचं कॅटरिंगचं नाव सांगा. कॅटरिंगचं नाव सांगा.
चिकन 65
रुकडी नाव काय?
डिलक्स चिकन.
काय?
डिलक्स
चिकन रुकडी. वर्ल्ड्स नंबर वन. जरा दाखवा की पीस दाखवा. परत आणि लोक येतील का ना, लोक का ना तुमच्याकडे येणार सगळे. अँड दिस इज चिकन 65 फॉर yes world's number one. This is world's रुकडी. All people are from Rukdi and world's number one. All number one. This is all management committee. World's number one. This is a video maker only. I am purchasing the Christmas all decorations. See this. I purchase. If you want any Christmas decoration at Kolhapur, you can meet this Mary teacher. Okay. See this. Everything is there. All Christmas decorations. World's number one. Okay. And I am purchasing this all. Okay, for Christmas. But still I am purchasing more. Okay, chalo.
कमी यायला लागलाय त्यांना माईक दे ऐक माझं
घे की
माईक
माईक
दे फक्त. हा.
Good. You come here. This side you by this room now. Good. And then Luis Uncle is going to sing for us. Okay, going to sing?
Which song?
Okay, then Luis Uncle will dance and sing.
Dance.
And Luis Uncle is going to give you party also.
Yes,
Party from Luis Uncle.
Party.
Keep dancing, keep moving, keep singing. Okay, who's the best dancer? You all see the best dancer. Give prizes here, so many prizes. Lot of prizes here, okay? Wow, come on, keep dancing. So afterwards, catch hold of Fabio sir, okay? You'll get a prize. Keep moving, keep singing. Very good, fair for fair, okay? Now we call the youth also, okay? Now we call the youth also to dance with you, right? We'll make one circle. Make one circle. Make a circle. And Savio sir will lead you now.
दाखव वर्ल्ड नंबर 1
Okay, ready?
मैनेजिंग कमिटी हैप्पी बेस्ट
Body dance, come on, more people can come in. Body dance. Go around. Stella will lead. Stella, come. We want partner, somebody to show how to dance. Come. Show the step. Come, show the step. Body dance. All of you.
Father singer and very happy, and he will do my marriage. At 12 marriages, he will do 12 marriages. 12 marriages from the church. 12 marriages from the church. 30 children.
Baba.